We're all back. So
Wait,
how's it now?
I'm just actually looking at YouTube.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on, guys. Um, can you guys check the YouTube?
Okay.
Um,
It's lagging quite a lot.
yeah, still? We're
Mm.
still lagging.
That's
Yeah,
interesting.
still.
So what could be the problem?
Let me disconnect, guys, and see if it still lags, so then we can figure out that way whether it's from our
Sure.
side or what's happening. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But,
All right. Bye-bye.
but all right, let's check now.
Let's see if it works. Wow, it's extremely slow. Still.
It's still lagging.
Quite a lot. It's like completely freezed.
Yeah. So I think it's something to do with the streaming platform itself.
It could be, yeah.
Yeah. Hmm. We're still on live. Wait for 30 seconds. Okay, so how about we leave and join again?
Yeah,
Yeah?
let's try that. Yeah, let's go
Let's
back.
do that.
Okay, I'll see you.
Okay. Hello, hello. Am I live?
Hi.
Hello. Are we live?
Yeah, we live. We are live, but still extremely slow on YouTube. It's like 30 seconds delay, even more.
No, I'm just frozen. I'm looking at my
Yeah,
phone.
now it's frozen. Yeah.
So this does not work. We're switching servers, so I think just a second.
Hmm. Did you do it with the OBS program? Maybe it's this software or
Oh
Restream.
no, don't ask me those questions. I
Oh,
don't.
okay.
Yeah, it's not me. I'm the wrong person. What OBS? Okay. I thought you were bad at technology, and you're talking about server names now.
Because I use this for the streaming.
Oh, okay.
Maybe that is the Restream platform. Never liked it.
It's strange. It's a shame.
Yeah, but it's very difficult. That's
But like we see each other not lagging, right? Like I see you guys moving
Yes,
down.
yes, yes.
it's the end from Restream to the live on YouTube.
No.
Is this end the one it's
Yeah.
breaking down?
So I think it's not from our side; it's from the platform's side.
Let me check.
Paulina, do we have any other alternative platform that we could use?
I'm asking the guys now.
Okay, so since they can hear us, I think gold. I would buy gold at 40.70. What do you think about that, Rosa?
40 what? Sorry again.
70.
40, 70. Let me check.
4,070.
Hmm.
Around that area.
40, 70. Yes, I'm with you.
Yeah, you agree?
From 75 downwards, it's a nice point to buy gold if it retraces. I didn't read the market. I thought it was gonna fall. I didn't read the
No,
market.
I saw it in the morning, and I knew it was going to like pull back, but I didn't take any trades today.
You didn't buy?
Today, no. I have my swing still running, but no, I didn't buy any new trade. I didn't take any new trades today. But we were buying gold, I think, in this session.
Yes, I was buying and selling.
Okay.
Guys, is the at least voice okay? So if we talk to you, can you hear us well, or is it the image?
Yeah, they're saying the audio is best, but screen just there. So it means that, yeah. So
That's
I
a
think
shame.
they can hear us
Okay,
well.
that's fine. We're gonna improvise. That's the most beautiful part about live streaming. So we can actually improvise. All right. So let's talk about.
Let's talk.
So if we share charts, they obviously won't be able to see it, or maybe that will fix it in some way.
Would you like to try?
Yeah, we can do. Rosa, would you mind sharing your chart?
Sure. Let's
As a
try.
test, so we can see
Sure, yeah.
what works, what doesn't work.
I just noticed that we had a good setup on the 30-minute time frame, but I missed that one. It was around, when was it? It was 2 hours ago. And when it reached 4,050, that was a good buy.
4,060.
4,050. That was a
Oh
good
yeah,
buy.
I had my buy set up there, but I didn't trust it. I mean, I meant this is going down because of the news and everything. So I didn't read the market properly.
It might still go down. Let's just wait for the news.
I
I
know,
think
yeah.
we all agree that we're not taking any trades until after the news, right?
Yep, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Voice is okay, just saying I will hear.
Okay.
Okay, so now you can see my screen still not showing on the
I can
internet.
I can see it. Can you move? Let me see if. Yeah, it moves just fine here.
Yeah, it's a pity,
Almost
but yeah.
almost seeing the screen. They're saying.
Hmm. So these are the 5 trades I took today, selling and buying. And I
So
didn't read the market properly uh, here.
that's you're doing well for someone who did not treat the market.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but even being profitable today, I'm not happy with my performance.
Why not?
Mm.
Because I wasn't focused. Honest is I had to dash out to pick up my kid from school again. So in the meantime, but
Mhm.
in the morning, you see the first buy, the one on the left.
Okay.
I only entered with with a position, which is not my strategy, but I was talking and over the phone. Then I tried to pick up the buys with the second sale because I was pretty sure it was a call. Um, so I didn't do it properly here, and I didn't read the market here. I did it pretty good on this sell
So you're
because
not satisfied with your performance because you didn't take more trades, you mean? You had like more
I
opportunities.
didn't. No, I didn't expand the current trade to be more profitable. So I should have entered here with a whole position, but I was over the phone, so a bit distracted, and then leave it running. So same with this sell. I just closed out. I was expecting this retracement. That's why I closed it. But I
Mhm.
should have left a runner up until this point.
Mm.
So I well I was spot on the trades, but um
Yeah, you
I
didn't
didn't
leave it.
leave the trades just go with the flow. I did it
Talking
first.
of which, remember last night, yesterday's what's it called? Yesterday's trade,
Hmm.
my trade.
Yep.
It was great that I closed it.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Like 1 hour later, it just dropped
I know.
and dropped like crazy. Thank
Hmm.
God I closed it.
Oh no, I mean, it's been a nice day, but you know how it works. I mean,
Yeah.
the better you are, the less you know about everything, and the more you have to improve yourself, or at
Hmm.
least is what you expect from yourself.
They can see the screen, but it's not moving.
No,
That's
that's
what they're saying.
but the screen is not on YouTube. My
Oh, really?
screen is on
How do
YouTube. Okay,
how do they see it?
okay, yeah, yeah, it's there, so
Yeah,
everyone
I
can
can.
see my screen.
By the way, guys, the team is working on trying to fix the issue.
Mm.
Hopefully, we will be able to fix it very soon. If not, you can listen to us. At the moment, they can see the screen. I can see that they can see the screen. So at least they can see the trays they have taken. You know, and maybe why don't you talk them through some of your trades, Rosa? So that way they can get some knowledge out of your performance today, even though
Yeah,
you're not happy with it.
yeah, but yeah, I'll do that. So the first trade, if you look at the first trade, it's a buy on the left side, the first one, just one position. As you know, when I'm trying to buy gold, I always wait for a discount price. So there's something called buy the dip, and that's what I do on the gold. I don't always buy the dip because I have to, first of all, wait for a discount, so for a better price. And second of all, I just have to wait for my setup. And my setup is formed by 2 or 3 candles and in a specific position. and at specific level. So if all this happens, I take the trade. So that's why I took this buy. Pretty sure it was a runner. That trade was an A plus plus trade. And that's why I'm not comfortable with this trade, because I missed the opportunity to triple my income that
Mm.
with just one trade, and then leave it as it is for the rest of the day. Then I had to improvise. I had to control myself because I knew that was a fantastic trade coming up, but I've just missed it. So I had two options: stop trading, but I decided to take a second buy, which is the second one you hit, with more entries, the 2 or 3 entries at the time. And I just tried to, I don't know, like pick up some money and get out. So get in and get out very quick, just to confront my lack of focus from the first trade.
Mm.
And that's why I didn't wait for the runner. Because once I'm not comfortable with a trade, I just try a very quick in and out. It's what I did here. And then I was quite happy. I did the day here in my personal account. Well, the one you're seeing is found in Pips, but I replicate to my personal account. So then the second trade, I'm trying to get out of my control, my nice area of comfort, and I'm starting selling at some moment. So I'm redefining my strategy to start selling and not missing the opportunity. And that's what I did. This is what I did on the first sell. You see, that to me was a spot on, because I just picked the trade nearly uptick, which is what when I really like my performance. It was quite nearly there at the uptick, highest point of the moment, but I didn't, because it's a sell. I didn't allow the trade to go with the flow. I
Mm.
was also pretty sure it was a twice as large trade, but I decided to cut the profits just in case, because I'm still not feeling comfortable with selling on gold. Um, the third
Okay.
one, well, the fourth one, it's another buy, and that's another A plus plus trade. It's that one, as you can see, it's not at a discounted price. It's in the middle of a dipping
Yeah.
price starting going down. But I have seen something that happens very often in gold, and is this pattern here. So I'm gonna zoom in. I won't disclosure the pattern, but if you analyze what happened there, a few candles before, because we don't know the future, I mean, just a few candles, like this area here. If people pay attention to here and you look at gold very carefully on 1 minute chart, again and again and again, this pattern happens. And then I know on the back side of the trade, back side is this is the front side. And when it starts steeping half of the way, you can start entering. Um,
Mm-hmm.
I was expecting to be a better trade, but it was pretty short. So, and I did what I had to do. This one that closed at break even point, because I was expecting a runner. It didn't happen, but I performed fantastically. I should have entered here, because it was the third point of my entries. First area, like initial up of the area, like middle in the area, and down in the area was this point here, but I didn't. I was happy with that. And finally, this sell,
Mm-hmm.
I had to count, because I wasn't feeling comfortable with this trade either, because it's a sell and I never sell. So I had to count many times. I went for a coffee. I went up and down the stairs in my house, because I wanted to close it here. Like the very moment I was like here, I wanted to close it down at like in the middle with
Mm-hmm.
very small profits, and I took the chance and just waited. So and I did pretty well on this one. But then I missed the big buy because I didn't trust. the market, and I'm no one to having thoughts about what the market's going to do. I should have trusted my strategy and go long.
Yeah.
To be honest, I had to rush out of my house here. So
And that happens sometimes, you know.
yeah,
It's situational and it happens. So I think you performed fantastically. But I understand that kind of feeling towards yourself when you're like, could have been better.
90 seconds, guys.
Yes, I was about to say we are so close, and I can see already market moving up and down, up and down. Very curious.
I think I'm placing my orders very far away
wow.
at a price that I want to get. So if the volatility helps me, so be it.
Oh, you are brave. I wouldn't do that.
It's just a small, very small position. It's too reckless, right? I shouldn't do that. I'm having second thoughts. 1 second. I'll do it. I don't care.
15 seconds.
Yeah. Ready.
15 seconds. You ready?
Mm,
Let's go.
it's going down.
5,
I don't know.
4.
There
Yes, there it is.
was.
There it is.
Okay, so the NFP is positive for the USD. It's 119,000 new jobs in September in comparison to 53,000 forecasted. What happened here? 1 second. Why did that happen?
What?
What?
I had my order, but it didn't fell. Why? Who canceled it?
Rosa. He didn't agree with you trading during the.
Yeah, but who? Come on, no. Why? It like it hit my price, but it got cancelled. Why?
I'm not sure.
Anyway, so back to the numbers. So we have. By the way, I had my what's it called? I had my order at 70. As we said, Rosa, with my stocks at 50.
Amazing.
That would have been nice.
Yep.
The average hourly earnings went down to 0.2% in comparison to 0.3% expected for September as well. So that's a negative number for the USD. Initial jobless claims, 220,000 in comparison with 232,000 previous. So that's a little bit positive. So less people are claiming to be jobless in the US. The unemployment rate is very bad. It's 4.4%, which means that the Fed might have to cut rates. But that's for September. We don't know October's numbers. And by the way, October's numbers got cancelled. We'll never get October numbers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. They just announced last night, that they're not going to announce it ever. It's gone. So let's see the unemployment rate for November. This will be next month.
That's very interesting that they have decided to do that.
Yeah,
Why
they
do you think that
they
is?
missed so much time to recover the numbers. That's why. they were off, and they did not collect any numbers, so they decided just like to let it go. It's very hard to collect the data from a previous or from a from a gone period. What's happening here? Okay, 1 second. And that's what you get when you don't trade with Tradin. Your orders get cancelled.
Why?
Nothing's wrong with my order. They cancelled it. No, I'm moving everything to Tradin. By the way, Paulina, you know those guys who canceled mine, but I can't say the name.
Okay.
You like
Is
them?
that what
You
they
like?
did?
Yeah, those are the people who canceled my order. Thieves.
Oh no. Now they owe you money.
Yeah, they do. Let's see. Maybe we'll catch another one now. Okay. Let me trade on my trading account. Much better than. Are we still lagging?
I think so, unfortunately.
Yes. I was just checking.
Pearson Hardman is back. Welcome back. Welcome back, my friend. I think I'm buying here. But the stop loss is way too far, no?
It's a bit too far, right?
Yeah.
Where would you place it?
Below 50.
Hmm.
That's the only valid stop loss, and like the less valid one was at 66. Let's see, we might get a bottom around 4073. I might place my my stops there. If I enter at maybe 78 and have my stops at 73, that's reasonable, yeah.
It can work. Just trying to find where to enter.
So guys, for the next week, we will try a different platform because we had some issues with this platform.
Yeah, we need a new one.
Yeah, to avoid these things in the future. We don't want this. Because it's such a shame. The whole point is to share the screen, talk, see our faces, you know, so... But it's okay. It happens, unfortunately. Usually it happens when I am on the stream. I think I'm becoming the problem.
Did it happen with us Rosa before?
Yeah, it happened one more... No,
It's when Paulina is on the stream, just for some reason. I don't know.
Yes. I'm the troublemaker. I actually entered buys, guys, and that's why I went a little bit quiet because I was adjusting.
Okay.
But see, with the way I scalp, I just put my stop loss at 72 because just under the red candle, I'm either right or wrong. Otherwise, it would have been invalid setup. And my target is at 97.
You're
Just
getting
above
that
the
in a second.
Pardon?
You're getting that in a second.
Yes. I may go for 100, but let's see. I will trail here because I would just want to get the best out of the markets, honestly.
It's too volatile.
So,
I say just.
but this is what I do. I trail at my original, which, okay, now it's closed. I trail at my original take profit if I can get away with it and price continues. When on gold, it very often continues. Then I get away with it. If I can't, I got my profit. So I got my TP. I got 2 losses beforehand, though, full disclosure. But for me, it's normal to take up to 3 losses.
Up to 3, and then you stop trading?
Yes, ideally. I do.
Ideally, yeah.
Yes.
We all know.
Yes. That's the thing. This morning, I entered a sell on gold pre-London Open, and I set a large stop loss. And then I hit profit, which was really nice. But this is what I mean. Sometimes I just go with more like intraday trading because I genuinely, in the morning, I forgot I was in a trade. I came to work, I spoke with the guys, and then we had a meeting and we were talking about trading. And then I remembered, oh yeah, I'm in a trade. Because I just had my alarm set at either of the direction, and that's it. I would have completely clocked out from it. Whereas if I scalp, I need full focus and make quick decisions. That's why, actually, Rosa, if you go to the left on your chart, maybe you want to take a trade, so I don't want to distract you.
No, just go ahead.
But you took those buys, and I can see like that entry, like you have to make such a quick decision to get out of that trade. The buys, second buys.
Yeah,
the ones that you were talking about, the pattern. Like, those are the difficult decisions in the market as a scalper.
Yeah.
That you really need to, okay, that's what I'm doing right now, and not regret your decision. Because in scalping, that regret factor can really kick in. So what is your decision-making process? Because there you were potentially hoping for bigger runner, but that never happened. So was that your plan to exit there, or
it was a plan? So I usually, because I'm a scalper, I usually close a few trades at 20. Depends on how quick moves the market. At 20 pips, I just close a few trades and I set break even. A few more trades at 40 pips and a few more at 60, and then I leave 1 or 2 runners, which is the one that closed at break even at this time. And I don't regret if then price moves 1,000 pips in my favor. I don't regret it because as a scalper, I can't expect 100 or 200 pips movement on 1 minute time frame, and it's very quick decision. So what happened on the last sell, I think it was like 90 pips. But that's because I was over the phone, I was distracted, I had to dash out. But usually I close the trades at 20, 40, 60-ish, kind of. And then I leave a runner, and I don't regret it. What I regret is not doing that.
Yes, absolutely. Now, I have a question for both of you. So, guys, I know we're still having issues, but you can hear us, right? So, since you can hear us, I want to carry that conversation because I have some important questions to ask that could potentially improve your trading performance. Now, I want to ask you, Rosa, and you, SAIF, your opinions on trading on the phone. Trading on the phone, because I can see Rosa executes on her MT5. I know that SAIF only executes on his desktop or laptop as well. And now I do that too, although I used to execute on my phone before. Now, what are your opinions on it? Pros and cons? Tell me.
I can't execute over a phone, or if I'm not 100% on my, like you, where I'm now in my office, This is a very, I mean, money, my personal money is at stake, and I can't, if I trade over the phone, it's, to me, it's not a professional way. If your personal account is at stake, if you don't mind losing a prop firm account or whatever, I mean, doesn't matter. But when real money, like if you are going to earn a salary or two salaries a day for, depending on where you live, right? Like a month's salary in a day, every day, you have to be on a nice place, a complete quiet, concentrated, with the screens. It's like decision making. In my case, it's in 30 seconds, as you said.
Yeah.
It was a decision making, and I
Yeah.
can't regret it. So I can't stay at the park with the kids, just having a look at the kids, and then, okay, I'm gonna place this trade, and I'm gonna lose 1,000 euros just in case. No, I can't do that. So I haven't seen ever a professional trading over the phone, unless it's a swing trade, for instance. But scalpers, that's very difficult. And I've traded with many scalpers, and I actually do it every day. One of the most of the best in Spain, and they do it on an office, at an office, quietly and concentrated. And yeah, it's, I mean, I've never seen a professional in any subject, like a surgeon, like having doing a surgery to someone in the at the park, or saying to someone, just cut there, let me see, cut there a little
Yeah,
bit
I
more
agree.
from the park. So I've never seen that. You have to be at your workplace.
Yeah. Yeah. Safe. Do you have any other outlook on this?
I think I don't have anything else to add except for one thing, about swing trading. Not even swing trading, Rosa. I wouldn't make a decision based on what I see on my phone screen,
Hmm.
because as you said, it's not the proper way, and I find it very irresponsible to risk actual money, or hard-earned money, just like, or being arrogant and saying, no, I can do it over my phone. You cannot. um, having your trading account at all times, and giving yourself the permission to trade and execute over the phone, is very irresponsible in my opinion, because that's a profession, and you need to be professional, and you need to have your setup as Rosa just said. So using the phone is okay, but for monitoring already open trades, and sometimes closing trades if certain alerts get triggered, for example. That's it.
Hmm.
Otherwise, no, I
So
do not.
for the management purposes, other than
Exactly. For monitoring and for trade management purposes, that's it. And you do not take decisions, and you do not make the decisions based on what you see on your phone screen.
Hmm.
You have your plan set out, and then you execute using your phone, um, based on the plan that you already had on your desktop or your laptop or whatever. So that's the only way you use your phone. Just, okay, you're in a trade, you're watching the trade, you're making sure certain levels aren't broken, you're still good, fine, and that's it. Not more than that.
the guys are just having a laugh with me. I'm gonna show you
So
later.
let's ask, how many of you guys watching us, who trades on their phone? Let's see who answers.
I would guess that actually a good 70% of traders
Right.
trade on their phones. The thing is, I must tell you, I do know professional traders that do trade on their phones. I do, and I
They
have
make
seen them.
decisions based on what they see on their phones.
They may analyze.
Send me location, as Khabib said.
Execute on their phone.
Send me location of this trader.
So So yes, so I do know that. However, I still execute on my phone as well. But I must tell you, since I have switched to the desktop, my performance has improved. And this is where, if you think about it, and I'm gonna again insert psychology here, you know, it becomes a habit checking certain apps on your phone, whether that is Instagram, whether that is
Yeah.
TradingView. And that also might be for MT5, where it becomes pure habit of you keep on looking, keep on looking, keep on looking. And since as traders, it's very easy to, press buy or sell button, you may actually be encouraged to enter a trade where you should not have done. So the habitual part will actually solve, I would say, 50% of your problems as a trader, if you are struggling as a trader right now, because you are over executing over trading due to a habit more than anything else. All right.
And due to the ease of access as well. You shouldn't
Absolutely.
be able to access the markets as you access your Instagram, for example.
Absolutely.
It's
Absolutely.
much more serious than Instagram, for example.
Absolutely. So, guys, we are about to fix the issue
Yeah.
at last. So,
Uh-huh.
let me just, yes, check your Slack, and then we will be able to access differently.
I'm just waiting for the link, so I'll move to the new platform.
So, I'm going to switch off from here and move to the other platform, guys.
Okay. Yes,
See you
and we're
soon.
waiting.
Perfect. See you soon.
No one sent me anything.
No, they'll send it in a minute. Not to me either, but they'll send it very, very shortly, and then we can move to
I was going
Streamlabs.
to make a drama out of this. Um,
Okay, we have to wait a little bit. They're gonna test it with
that's with
Paulina
Paulina.
first, and then yeah, great. So now movements, Samir. I'm gonna check in the meantime if I can find a quick scalp somewhere.
Hmm.
I usually never find amazing setups for my strategy during the New York session. So sometimes I take a trade just because I'm on the live stream.
I think you
And
shouldn't do that.
but
You need
well,
to
it's
stop doing that.
not big. It's a small risk, like it can work. Let's gonna try.
Yeah,
But the perfect setups, the better ones, are
during
like
London.
the first
Mm.
2 hours of the London session, 2-3 hours, no more than that. And today I was like, I had it all in my first trade, like in 30 minutes working. That's what I love about trading, even being a scalper. People
Yeah,
think that because you are a scalper or an intraday, you have to be in front of the charts like 8 hours. Of course, I am, because I have to check, I have to do the journaling, I have to study. But trading,
yeah.
it's like it can be, sometimes it's 15 minutes. Some of
And
the
it's,
time it's the 2 hours,
and
but
you can do it like it shouldn't be every day, like, or it doesn't have to be every day.
it doesn't. No, I don't do it every day. For instance, next week it'll be very hard to me because of the time, family things I
Plans, yeah.
have to sort out. So I'll probably won't trade maybe Monday, Tuesday for sure. I mean, maybe a few days, two,
Hmm.
3 days a week. That's it. But as I said, it's like that. It doesn't matter. That's the amazing thing about trading, and I don't have to tell anyone. I'm sorry, but I can't work today. So that's the beauty.
Um, yeah, I think how many trades did I take this week? Um, Not so many. It was two yesterday, and I think less than five this week.
Hmm.
Like the proper ones, less than 5. Did they send you a link?
No, not yet. Not yet. Someone's asking. Someone on the stream is asking, "Where's the new platform?" No, it'll be live stream at.
Yeah, you wouldn't need to change anything. No,
Yeah, you
it's
don't have
us.
to change.
We're changing. You're not changing anything.
Hmm. So no link yet. Okay, let me know when they send it to you.
Second.
Is there any more news? Okay,
Yep, they just sent it to me.
Okay, I'm just waiting.
Um,
I'm gonna remind them. Okay, I have it.
yeah. Okay, so let's leave this one. Guys, stay on the stream. We're coming back in a second.
Yeah, see you in a second.
Yep.